Hi all of you. Once again, welcome back to the class. Today, discuss about the some problems on the resistance. Okay. Previous IIT JEE mains problems. Now, here, see here, first problem. An infinite ladder network arranged with resistance R and 2R as shown. The effective resistance between terminals A and B is here. Resistance here, given resistance are here R and 2R. These are connecting in network here. This one here R. This is R 2R. R 2R R 2R. Okay. This is a infinite ladders. How to find out this problem? How to get this values? Here given values here. Option A infinitive, option B R, C 2R, D 3R. Okay. First of all, find out the formula of this ladder. Okay. First of all, in this case, for example, this is a R1. This one here R2 up to infinity ladders. Infinity 1 up to this one is 2 up to infinity. Okay. Now infinity point here. This is a 2 points. For example, points here. These are 2 points. C point. This one D point. The effective distance of this network up to CD. For example, X. For example, effective distance of this effective distance here. For example, X. Okay. This X is parallel to the here. This one. This parallel. Find out the effective distance between here A and B. So this one here minimizing. Okay. R1, this is a R2. Effective distance of this one here X. Terminals A and B. The effective distance between A and B here also, for example, X. Okay. Now this equation, this network, simplify transfer to equation. Okay. Here R2 and X, these are two parallel. These are two here parallel. Balance R2X by R2 plus X. This one here R2X plus R2X into by R2 plus X. Okay. Simplifies terminal A. This one here R. This is a R2X by R2 plus X. Terminal B. These two resistance are series combination. These two are series combination. The effective distance between A and B here X. Okay. This also X. This also here X. So X is equal to effective resistance. Here X means effective resistance. Okay. Now here X is equal to, these two are in series combination. R1 plus here R2X by R2 plus X. Simplifying R1 R2 plus R1X plus here remaining R2X by R2 plus X. That is equal to here X. Effective resistance. This is the effective resistance. This is the effective resistance of the these total ladders. Okay. Cross multiplication. Here X into X square plus X into R2. R2 x is equal to R1 R2 plus R1 x plus R2 x. These terms are taken as left side, so simplifies x square plus R2x minus R1 R2 plus R1 x plus R2 x is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So negative values, this is a negative, is equal to 0. Okay, here R2x positive values, here R2x, here negative values, this is a cancel. So here cancel, remaining simplies x square minus this R1x minus R1 R2 is equal to 0. R2 is equal to 0. This equation compared to the here x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This equation quadratic equation. This one here quadratic equation. Compared to the this equation, this one. Okay. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to r1, c is equal to r1 r2. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to r1 and c is equal to r1 r2. C is equal to here r1 r2. Okay. The formula x is equal to b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. This value is substituting in this equation. This is the x means effective distance of this network. This network here x is equal to effective distance of the given network. X is equal to here b values here r1 is negative values, so minus r1 minus into minus plus here r1 plus or minus under root of b r1 square minus 4 into here a values here 1, a here 1 into b minus r1 r2 okay, by 2a a is equal to 1. Simplies effective distance x is equal to r1 plus or minus under root of r1 square minus into minus plus okay. Next 4 into r1 r2, 4 here r1 r2 by 2. This is the effective resistance of the given circuit. Okay. Now here in this case r1 values here r, r2 is equal to here 2r. Okay. r1 is equal to given circuit r, r2 values here 2r. These two values substituting in this equation. After we get the result. Okay. Now therefore here effective distance of the given circuit x is equal to r1 is equal to here r plus or minus under root of r1 means r plus okay 4 into r1 is equal to r into r2 is equal to here 2r. r2 is equal to 2r by 2. So simplies is equal to r plus or minus under root okay 4 to the 8 okay r square okay r square plus 4 to the 8 r into r square by 2 is equal to r plus or minus under root of here 9r square by 2 is equal to plus or minus here this is a 3r by 2. 9 square root 9 3, this is a square, right? 3r square. Okay, cancel. R plus or minus 3r. X values here, two values, one negative values, another one here positive values. So negative positive values r plus 3r by 2 is equal to 4r by 2, that is equal to 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2r. One answer here 2r. Next another one answer here r minus 3r by 2. So this values here negative values is equal to minus 2r by 2. 2 2 ja 1 get cancel, so is equal to minus r. Here given here values here answer is 2r, another one here minus r. So compared to the given answers, this is a option A infinity. This is not correct. Okay, here answer is x is equal to effective distance of the this circuit, x is equal to 2r answer. Okay, the second option here, this is not answer, this is a correct answer, this also not. Here answer here 2r. Now note this one. Okay, now the effective distance of the this circuit A is equal to x is equal to 2r. X means effective distance given circuit. Now here another circuit, for example this given network here, given network, up to infinity. Okay, up to infinity. This one here r1, this is also r1, this is also r2. Find the effective distance between terminals and A and B. A and B. Okay, two cases here. Case 1, r is equal to, for example 1, r2 is equal to 2. One case, one problem, for example. Second problem, r is equal to r1 is equal to r, r2 is equal to values is changes, r1 is equal to 1, r2 is equal to 1. These two problems solved here. First of all, find the formula. Find the first of all formula. This is circuit here. This circuit, this is this one here. Okay, effective distance of the these points C and D here, for example x. Okay, this x and r2, these are two parallel combination, these are two parallel combination, minimizing this network here, minimizing. Okay, this is this network here, this x and r2 x by r2 plus here x. Okay, r1 terminals here A and B, terminals A and B. So these three are here, this is a r2x by r2 plus x, these one and these two, these three are series combination, these three are in series combination. So simplifies here effective distance between A and B here, A and B terminals here x. Okay, here x is equal to r1 plus this also r1 in circuit, r1 plus r1 to r1 plus this one here r2 x by r2 plus x. Okay, simplifies here x is equal to effective distance of the circuit, x is equal to 2 r1 cross multiplication into r2 plus x plus r2x by r2 plus here x. So once again x R2 plus here x square is equal to inside multiplication 2r1 r2 plus 2r1 x plus here r2 x simplifies this taken as left, this is the taken as the left x r2 plus x square minus 2r1 r2 minus 2r1x minus r2x is equal to 0. R2x is equal to 0. Simplifies here r2x here, r2x positive values here, ఇక్కడ negative values. So this also cancel. This one here cancel. Remaining x square minus 2r1x minus 2r1 r2 is equal to 0. So quadratic equation here x is equal to b square minus plus or minus b minus here x is equal to formula ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Formula x is equal to b plus or minus x is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, compared to the this values here, this is the c values, this one here c, this is b here, this one a. Okay, now value substituting here x is equal to minus b b values is minus 2r1 minus 2 minus plus 2r1 plus or minus under root of 2r1 square minus 4 into a value is here 1, a1 here 1 into c is equal to 2r1 r2 by 2a 2 into a value is here 1. Okay, next step. Okay, now here effectively states this circuit x is equal to 2r1 plus or minus 4r1 square under root minus into minus plus 4 to the 8 plus 8 r1 r2 by 2. Okay, this is the and next step simplifies x is equal to 2r1 plus or minus here 4 here 8 4 common 2 under root of here r1 square plus 2r1 r2 by 2 here 2 here common, so 2 into r1 plus or minus under root r1 plus r1 square plus 2 r1 r2 by 2 get cancelled. So finally therefore here x is equal to r1 plus or minus under root of r1 square plus 2 r1 r2. This is this network formula. This network. Now the values here given. This value substituting in this equation. Here case 1 r1 is equal to, for example, 1. R1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now r2 is equal to 2. Here r2 is equal to 2. Okay. 1 2 2 1. Okay. This value substituting here r1 simplifies effective distance is x is equal to r1 here 1 plus or minus under root of 1 square plus 1 plus 2 into 1 into r2 is equal to here 2. R2 is equal to here 2. Okay, is equal to 1 plus or minus under root of this circuit 1 plus 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. Here 1 plus or minus 5. This is first case. Here first case answer here r1 is equal to 1, r2 is equal to this ladders infinity times. Okay, next problem here, for example, r1 is equal to 1, R2 is equal to 1. R2 is equal to 1. Here this network, R1 is equal to, so up to infinity. Okay. This R1 is equal to here 1, this 1, R2 is equal to 1. 1 up to infinity. Here terminals here A and B. Effective distance X. X is equal to here. Now substituting this formula, in this formula. Okay. Here X is equal to R1 plus or minus under root of R1 square plus 2 R1 R2. Okay. Now these values substituting in this equation, this R1, this R2 up to infinity. Okay. Yes, simplifies 1 plus or minus under root of 1 scale plus 2 into 1 into 1. That is equal to 1 plus or minus under root of 1 plus 2 to jam 2 is equal to 1 plus or minus under root 3. This effective distance of this circuit. Okay. Different ladders. So this formula is very important. This formula is here very important. Note this one. Okay, thank you.